Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be looking at few technical tools like, we'll talk about the technical levels, we'll talk about the technical trends for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. And this is the daily chart of Bitcoin. So we were talking about this thing in the past video as well, that this 22,600 level is an important support level, and the price should hold this level. Now exactly, you can see the price is holding up this level here, and in fact today with very less volumes, however, we are getting a slightly upside, which is, I think, the price is up by more than 1%, and we might able to see more trading activity by the evening time, by the end of the day. So that is something we should wait, and if the closing happens higher than 22,600, that will be a sign where the price can reach up to the resistance of 25,800. Another thing, you can see, let's say if the price comes down, comes below then 22,600, we have a very another important support area in the form of the trend line. So one, we have a support level which is at 22,600. Another, we have a very important trend line which could act as the support area, that is also very near to this support of 22,600. Now and also, we should not ignore the fact that the price is just creating the higher low. So that is something which is also, we can get a confirmation, or we can get an indication that yes, the price ideally, it's not looking a good fall, or a good downfall from here. However, the price is also not moving up, in a you can say in a uh, you know bigger terms, or in a good percentage, right? Why? Because again, there is a lack of trading activity, the momentum is not there, and that's the reason the price is just creating the small higher highs and higher lows formation. So now what we need to see, let's just see two things here. One, we should definitely get a close higher than 22,600 today, and if that happens, that will be a clear sign that from here the price now this time we will definitely see, or we might able to get a higher probability that the price will reach towards this resistance of 25,800. So that is something we can look for the Bitcoin. And see, once the volume starts coming in, you will definitely see there is a clear direction of the cryptocurrencies. That's the major reason that because of the lack of traders, lack of activity, the price is moving, but in a very slowly fashion. Now let's talk about the Ethereum. The similar situation is there for Ethereum, and one thing which looks interesting here, the price is just hovering around at this 100 EMA. So the resistance is at 1725, and the support is at 1510. Again, here also the price is just creating the higher highs and higher lows, but the price is not able to trade or close above than this resistance of 1725 or this 100 EMA. So the moment we will see a good upside momentum that the price should close above than this resistance area, you will automatically see that the price will trade higher, starts trading higher than this 100 EMA. And if that happens, you will see that will also strengthen the fact, or that will also strengthen the trend of this Ethereum, right? So if that happens, you will see the more buyers will come in, the more trading activity will happen in the Ethereum. So this is at a very crucial level, and today if we get a chance, if we get a close above then this resistance area, you will definitely see you will see more trading activity coming up for the Ethereum. So if you are finding this content useful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, notification bell icon को भी hit कीजिए, click कीजिए. Please click on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out any notification in the future. And this is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching us.